We have two new signs. Also, same as, and to, same, same. And the second sign is government. I'm taking my finger, I'm curling it up, and I'm opening it up again. Starts and I curl it in, and then poof, onto my head. Government. Government or republic. And to the republic. Can we do it so far? All right, that's what you need to be able to sign this week. And next is the worksheet part 2, which is ASL word order, identifying moving signs around till they are in the correct object, subject, verb, word order. Religious signs in the domestic church category again. First is family. There's all of these group signs. This is family. It starts with my F's with my fingers touching, and it circles around. Family. Bless or blessing. This is a serious sign. Blessing. Blessing something. This is like bless you, Gesundheit. It may seem opposite of what we might think of in terms of religious blessings. If you go to a liturgical church where the minister or the priest signs the blessing over the people, that's a very serious sign. And in that case, it is true. But in ASL, this little bless you is not as serious as this sign. Bless you when you sneeze, whatever. I'm giving you a blessing before we send you out to do ministry. This is a very serious sign for blessing. Start or begin. This is your key, and you twist it in the ignition to start it. Start or begin. Make or create. My palms start out back and they end up facing the sides. Make or create. And new. New. My knuckles brush across my palm. New. We have just a couple of religious sentences to practice, using some of our new words and practicing some of our old words. Number 1. God loves the family. The family prays to God. Bless you. Number 4. Christ, He blesses the family. I'm going to start something new. Did you start? Did you start? Number 7. God, He made a new world. God, He made me. If you need to practice some of those sentences and pick one to do your video, that's where you should look for that. And the last part of the notes is the comprehension quiz. So you should be able to take that now. There are only 5 questions. And don't forget to answer the question on Canvas. What have you learned so far?